we will be protecting our vehicles by using a lock. Okay. So likewise, we employ security for many things. Okay. So if we have heard of sheep, okay, other protect பண்றதுக்கு you will be having fencing. Okay. Again, room you have a lock. Okay. So likewise, computer elements also need some security. So why we are talking about security? So why we have to keep secure is the property is ours, the data is ours, or it is my data, or the data contains information about a specific person. Okay, you take Aadhaar. Okay, if Aadhaar information is leaked or my personal information is leaked, anybody can use my information for their own advantage. Okay. So, which is the best security mechanism in employment is what we are going to discuss. Now, to understand it very better, we are talking about mobile phone security. Okay, so first is mobile phone. We have to keep it safe, and we are going to keep it safe by protecting by ourselves. Okay, but even if somebody steals our mobile, still our data has to be protected. So for this we have different types of security measures. Okay, so what are the security measures you take whenever you are talking about your mobile phone? Yes, first you will be using thumb recognition. Okay, so you register your thumb in that particular device, and whenever you keep thumb means it will be doing some analysis, and if it is correct means it will be going to the home screen. If somebody else is going to try and open with his own thumb, it may not happen. Okay, so this is one very good security mechanism employed in mobile phone. What are the other ways we are going to do? We have something called pattern. Okay, so you have to register some pattern, and you will be each time whenever you are trying to open your mobile, you will be using that pattern to open your mobile. So if a wrong pattern is used, again you will say that it is a wrong pattern. You have to draw the correct pattern. Okay, so this is also one mechanism we use in mobile phones. Third one is the PIN. Okay, so either you may use a 4-digit PIN, or you may use a 6-digit PIN, and you have each time when you want to open your mobile, you have to use the correct PIN. Okay, so in your experience, what you are going to say, which security mechanism is better? So what is your opinion? Which one is better? Either the tongue resolution is better, or tongue recognition is better, or pattern is better, or PIN number is better? Which one you feel is a better way to keep your data safe? Anyone can do. Your own opinion you can take. Pattern. So why you are saying pattern is the best way? So you know your pattern. Can be very pattern means any algorithm cannot decode your pattern. Okay. Suppose if we have 4 digits, again 9999 ways of finding your correct code. Okay, it can be written as a program, and your it can be run 10,000 times. Number fast run it is very easy to decode your PIN. Suppose it is a PIN, 4-digit PIN. But if you use a pattern, okay, so then your pattern is very difficult to select, because pattern involves different layers. Okay, different ways to draw the pattern, only you know. But again, remembering the pattern is difficult around. Okay, so each time it is advised to change the pattern, maybe once in a month, or once in 2 or 3 months. Again, it is recommended to change the pattern. So by this way, you can employ a lot of security in your mobile phones. Okay, so we have nowadays